Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be talking about Workhorse Stock. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to drop a like on the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm working really hard to grow this channel for you guys. I'm always open to any feedback and anything like that, so please leave your comments, guys. Make sure you give me some feedback so I can improve the videos for you guys. All right, let's get started. Today we're going to be talking about Workhorse Stock. If you guys don't know what Workhorse Stock is, it's basically another EV company, right? It's been on the rise lately, and so have a lot of other EV companies, right? If you're taking a look at the vast majority of the whole EV market, a lot of them are getting a lot of bullish endorsements because they know that the growth is there. They know that EV is going to be the future. I mean, there's even talks of Tesla that's going to produce electric airplanes. I mean, that's absolutely insane. A lot of people rolling into the electric truck industry, which is a huge untapped market. Not a lot of people have vehicles in that specific market. It's going to be huge for a lot of corporations, and it's going to be huge because it's going to save companies a lot of money. Companies love to save money, and this whole electric truck industry is actually going to be huge for the overall market, and it's going to be huge for the EV industry in itself. But taking a look of Workhorse Stock, if you guys don't know what Workhorse Stock is, it's a company that IPO'd back to December 11th of 2015, just at $5.90. Current year to date, or the past 5 years, it is up 426%. Looking at the 1 year chart, it is up 885%, guys. I mean, that's absolutely huge. 3 month chart, it's up 509%. And if you guys don't know what Workhorse does, they're actually in production of EV trucks. They currently do have 2 vehicles already made, which is awesome because a lot of EV companies are just ideas. If you take a look at Nikola Motors, a lot of people investing in that company. This video isn't about Nikola Motors, so I'm not giving my opinion on it. But overall, their overall truck is just an idea, right? They don't have trucks actually made, but Workhorse Stock actually does have trucks made. They have the C650 and the C1000, which are delivery trucks, right? And the current big news currently surrounding Workhorse Stock, and the reason why it's been growing is because they're in talks right now with USPS for a $6 billion contract, and they're going to roll out 180,000 vehicles. I mean, guys, that's absolutely huge for the stock itself. And what this is going to do, if Workhorse Stock does land this USPS contract, which I know a lot of people are thinking that it's going to land this contract, and to be honest, it probably will. It's going to be rolling 180,000 vehicles. It's a $6 billion contract, and what this is going to do, it's going to put Workhorse on the map. A lot more people are going to start coming to Workhorse, for their specific truck needs. And the cool thing is, Workhorse has actually been doing business for a long time. They even already have contracts with 2 other big truck companies, and so when you're looking at Workhorse Stock from an investing standpoint, it's an amazing buy because the company continues to grow. The company is growing at a massive, guys, if you, like I said, even taking a look at the 1 year chart, it's up 885%. The EV market in itself is probably never going to go away, and this is where Workhorse Stock is going to shine. I'm very curious to see if they actually do land this deal with USPS. I think they will, and there's actually rumors of them in talks with UPS right now about a contract, which is awesome. If they do land the USPS and the UPS contract, it's actually going to be huge for the overall stock. It's going to be huge for the EV market. And like I said, people are looking for cheaper alternatives, right? People want, better, long-lasting vehicles, because the reason why Workhorse is in talk with USPS in the first place about the overall contract in itself is because not only are their vehicles that deliver the mail are getting old, but they also cost a lot of money, right? You have to understand that these are gas vehicles, right? They eat a lot of maintenance costs and stuff like that. So to keep them kept all the time, it costs companies a lot of money, and it's costing USPS a lot of money. USPS, if they do the deal with Workhorse, is actually going to save the company a lot of money. Not only that, it just doesn't stop at truck, guys. Remember, the EV industry is endless, and there's a lot of big-time investors in the EV industry because they know that the growth is there. Looking at it overall, look at Tesla, for example, guys. That thing is getting analyst upgrade after analyst upgrade. Even taking a look at like NIO and Hyliion and all these companies coming up, they're all bullish endorsed, and they're all getting a bunch of analyst upgrades because people know that the growth is there. And the thing is, when you're looking at it from an investment standpoint, that's what you really want with a stock, guys. You want to see growth, and Workhorse is delivering this growth. I'm very curious to see if they do land this USPS contract, and I actually do think they're going to land this USPS contract. They have vehicles certified, already made, ready to go. That's very, very appetizing. Remember, guys, like I was saying, a lot of companies don't even have vehicles made. And you're soon enough going to get a lot of competition. If you have EV companies who are already striking deals with these big name companies, I mean, it's going to look good for the overall brand of the stock. You could have an EV company IPO in like, let's say 5 to 6 years, for example. But looking at Workhorse, they have USPS under their belt at that point. They may have UPS, even FedEx at that point. You know, the opportunities are honestly endless, which what makes Workhorse a super appetizing stock. I think Workhorse is a huge must buy. I think you guys should invest in Workhorse. Obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. But guys, Workhorse is a huge growth stock, and it continues to grow more and more every day. Even on Friday's trading session, up 9.17%. A lot of EV companies are not getting this, but Workhorse is, because they know this company has a lot of potential to be great. It has a lot of potential to grow to be a great company one day, and it already is a great company. I mean, this thing is just absolutely screams a growth stock. So, with that being said, guys, invest in Workhorse stock. It is a must-buy stock. With that being said, that's all I really have to say about the video. Please, guys, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys thought about the video. And don't forget to leave a like on the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, all right? And let me know what you guys think of Workhorse stock. Have a good day, guys. See you later.